All right, so New Balance and the fall, they go together hand in hand, like pasta and tomato sauce. They go together like sneakerheads and their feelings. They go together well. So in this video, I'm gonna show you my 5 favorite New Balance sneakers that you can buy right now. For the most part, all of these are available. I'll link them for you down in the description. Big shout out to New Balance for sponsoring this one and letting me show you guys some options that you might not know are available. I got a lot to get into here. I'm gonna try to be quick with each shoe so I don't waste your time. If you wanna buy any of these shoes, they'll be linked for you down in the description. If there is a promo code that is available, it will be there as well. Get you a little something off some of these. It works on some shoes, others it doesn't. If you wanna see how I am styling these New Balance, make sure you're following me on Instagram where I post on-feet pictures and outfit stuff all the time. So make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'm at Eddiewinkicks, and we're gonna have a lot of New Balance content coming this fall lookbooks and everything. We're just kicking off this fall season early and with respect. We're getting right to it. This video is not about collabs and stuff that is hard to obtain or you may have to pay resale prices for. It's actually the opposite. I'm covering some affordable options and some of the premium stuff that you can buy right now. It's a range. So I'm gonna start off with the least expensive and head to the most expensive, which is the premium pair I'm gonna show you last. All good stuff though, let's dive into it. Starting things off with the most affordable option on the list, we've got a pair that is $69.99. You can use the promo code on this as of right now. That may change, knock it down just a little bit. This is probably not what you're expecting. We got a skateboard vibe. Usually you know New Balance for runners. Well, they have some great skateboarding options. This is the New Balance 425. This is just a tough sneaker. No frills, just a straight up light brown colorway with some black and a little bit of gum on the outsole there. And just for some skate details, sorry if I lose some of you here, this is a one-piece toe box. You're not gonna lose your mud guard when you start kick flipping an ollie and it's one piece. There's stitching to kind of show some separation there, but you lose that anyway when you start skating in these. I've got 2 options for lacing here. I had a pair of red laces kind of just hanging around, so I threw them in here just to see how it looks. Red on tan sneakers, give it a shot. These fit true to size in my opinion, and they'll work well with black denim because they have the black accents and you see it. So New Balance 425, let's keep it rolling. Next up, and sticking with that same theme, with a tan shoe. These are beautiful for the price range that they're in, man. Check these out. New Balance 574s, the rugged edition. Probably help if I actually show you the shoe. Let's try that again. New Balance 574, the rugged edition. This might be some people's favorite on the list. It looks so much better in person than it does on the website. The outsole is a little bit more rugged and intense to give off a sneaker boot type of vibe, but you know, you still get that classic 574 look from these. And the way that they did this colorway, muy bueno. Every single color on this shoe complements one another really well, and it just flows. And then the tongue is padded, which I really like. It's a little bit different than the classic 574s where it's a little bit more thin, gives off more of that sneaker boot type look in my opinion. They kind of look like the newer version of 1300s. The price on these is $80, I believe. They might be $89. They're either $79 or $89. The price kind of fluctuates with 574s. Sizing, definitely true to size for me on 574s. I don't go down a half a size. You know, some people do, but for me, I like to go true to size. Now, switching gears a little bit. This is a consolation prize, and typically I don't do this. So what I mean by that is if I strike out on a collaborative shoe, I get something else that is similar to it. Now, I usually just say, okay, I took the L, that's that. Don't pay resale, don't buy something similar, just move on. There will be another option. But this option is so similar to the original release, I had to do it. I would like it regardless, but man, when I saw that this shoe dropped, I was like, oh my God, that's the collab. Wait, no, it's not. So we've got the newest 5740 in forest green. recently New Balance did a collaboration with Brick and Wood, and they dropped a 5740 that was so similar to this shoe. I was mistaken. That one is probably better quality suede. You know, this shoe hits for 99 bucks. I believe retail price on that collab was 150. So usually that goes into the materials, right? It's gonna be better materials on a collab almost always. But that's not to say that the materials on this one are bad. It's just a little bit different. But if you have not tried out this model yet, it is one of the best newer New Balance models to drop this year. They've got plenty of collabs. They just did one with Concepts, so maybe your local boutique is doing one, so keep an eye out for it. But if you want to try an inline shoe first, this has got to be the one, or another pair that I showed you recently that is pretty much all off-white with a little bit of blue. They've got a nice wide stance, and I definitely think that these fit true to size. Some people may go down a half a size, just like they do with 574s. That's your choice, but for me, they fit true to size. I could throw red laces in here too. Maybe that is something I'll do later on down the line, but let's keep it rolling. All right, so this one is the only shoe that you can't buy right now, to my knowledge. Maybe it's available in some places, but for the most part, this shoe is an older collab. It's sold out. I just wanna throw these in here real quick as a reminder that this model is good. This is the New Balance 327, and this particular pair is a collaboration with Casablanca. If you've been on the fence with this model, give them another look, because the amount of colorways that are out there right now, there might be one that is perfect for you. You know, you've got some options that are under $100, and then you have premium options that are $150. So depending on what you're looking for out of this shoe, they kind of have you covered. This is such a unique shoe where it's got this narrow upper and then the forefoot just jets out a little bit. Just like the other shoes, in my opinion, they fit true to size. And I pretty much only go down a half a size on made in USA stuff and 237s. There's a couple other exceptions, but made in USA, I go down a half a size. Everything else, I go true to size. There's no way that I could do this list without a made in USA shoe. So that's what I've got here, and I've been eyeing this particular pair for a minute. It's been out for a little bit, and then it restocked on the NB website, and I was like, let's go. And in my opinion, one of the better 992 inline sneakers that you can buy right now. Beauteous, beauteous. Look at these burgundy joints, man. Look at these burgundy joints. Whew. I just got these in, haven't even laced them up yet. The pig suede on here is ridiculous. It feels like it's wet. The difference between opening up a box of made in USA New Balance and everything else is so noticeable that it makes the pricing seem fair. I know it's crazy to say, and this shoe is north of $200. That's a lot. It's a lot of money. But if you have been into New Balance for a while, you know why that is. I love how they did the New Balance N on here, almost like how you would see a varsity jacket done. Can't wait to lace these things up, man. Cannot wait. I'm actually gonna do it right now. Each one of these comes with a made in USA tag, so you gotta remove that first. And there's been so much talk about how you lace your shoes. I don't wanna sound controversial right now, but I decide on the spot which one I wanna do. I'm not dedicated to over and under or under and over. A lot of times, I go under and over, and that is in the minority. I've been making these videos for 8 years, and never has anyone been upset with how I lace my shoes. If anything, people are asking for lacing videos. So right now, I'm going under and over. Sometimes on other models, I go over and under. It just depends on how I'm feeling. Let me know down in the comment section how you guys lace your shoes, and I am just gonna stand alone here and be one of the only people that does this. I'm sure I'm losing some of you with what I'm talking about. Sizing with this shoe, I go down a half a size. 992s definitely run noticeably big. So unless you have a super wide foot or wear really thick socks, I think going down a half a size is the way to go with these 992s. Let me know what you guys are rocking this fall for New Balance. Hit the comment section if there's a particular pair that I should check out and feature in one of these videos. Make sure you subscribe for more fall content and definitely leave a like if you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys did. I'll catch you next time. Peace.